So over here on the left hand side, you see something called the Spaces Toolbar, and by default this looks a certain way. If you don't have the Spaces Toolbar over here on the left hand side, simply go around onto the View menu, then go around onto Toolbar, and then enable the Spaces Toolbar right here. So now if you want to go ahead and customize out the Spaces toolbar, you simply need to go ahead and right click, and then you can choose to customize it. So over here you can see that the background color is the gray color right here, but you can go ahead and change it out into something else as you like. So let's just select dark purple right here, but you don't see the buttons. So let's just go around and choose a bright color like yellow for it right here, bright yellow maybe, and press OK, and you get those bright yellow accordingly. The selected button color is blue. So let's just say I want to go ahead and choose pink and press OK, and that is what you have. And you can also choose the selected button color right here, and that is what you have. So once you press done, you can see that this is the Spaces toolbar right here, and as I go around you get a different vibe to it. And that is how you can customize out the Spaces toolbar as you like inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.